Yo guys, what is up? YT Chris plays Roblox back to y'all with another video, and I'm so sorry for not posting lately. But today I'll probably be doing a video where I show y'all some good outfits that I think are good. So yeah, here. First one. Over there. Don't look at the recent guys, please. That was just to prank my friend. It was so funny. Alright. Okay, here's the first one. Did I just say first? First one. This one, to be honest, I really think it's good. Guys, I do not have the legitimate business fedora anymore, because I traded that one off, so I'm sorry about that. If you wanted to see some outfits with that. Here, I'm looking through my some of my old outfits right now, and they're not bad. Here's another one. Here's another one. Okay, please don't look at that. Don't. Here's another one. Probably good. Alright, it's the chill hat. I'm pretty sure. I do have 1,115 Robux right now, so I might be able to buy some stuff actually. Another outfit. Okay. I really don't have much. Here's another one actually. I would show y'all this one, but I can't talk today. I traded it. Here, I'll show y'all. Traded because the guy, he gave me a good offer. I think it was this guy. Yes. Hold up. No. Yes, this guy. He gave me a 300k win. My friend, shout out to him. I sold my green, blah blah blah, whatever. I want to go ahead and send this guy a trade because why not? Alright, let's send it to him. Bruh. Okay, that was my keyboard. Let's go ahead. I actually do want this chill cap. Let's go ahead and put it in for. We're just gonna have to do the Overseer Guardia. Even though I'm giving him a win, but still worth a try, I guess. Or we could just go ahead and really buy one right now, or anything I don't know. Yeah, as y'all can see, it's selling for right now for 893 was cooler than me. Cool, chilled. I actually want to close this out. Okay, my friend must be talking. Oh, I can't spell. Probably won't be all outfits. This guy, I was asking him if I could. This guy, he might let me actually borrow his orange sparkle time. There's like this selling for a good price right now, but as y'all can see, he's actually selling it. Go make sure to. He has a 64th one. There's 100. Make sure to go and buy his. It's like any of y'all rich people are out here watching YouTube and like y'all just see this. Just make sure to go and do it. When the heck did I have vampire jump on? I don't know what this is. Let's go ahead and make a new outfit before I end the video off here. Okay. This on really quickly. Bandana off. Okay. Superhero animation. Toy idol. I actually want to get a fedora. This is actually does not look bad, to be honest. And just put on these maybe. Yeah, this. Oh my god. Creepy. Yeah, I'm actually going to make that outfit really quickly. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's buy something in the catalog really quickly before I end up the video here. If y'all are new here, make sure to subscribe, like the videos, and turn on your bell notifications. That would be appreciated. I actually do want to buy the ninja animation, but then no. So, let's see. I want a rubber ducky. For some reason. Let's see what we got in here first. I actually don't know. I'm joking. Let's see what they got in bunny ears. Why am I so trash at spelling? I'm doing nothing much. Let's just go ahead and like buy something at Face maybe. a question YT. Maybe. I think I'm gonna get the fedora. Alright, let's go ahead and actually get the fedora. Where's the one? I was actually about to get this one, but then like the guy didn't have it. He traded it for my legit. Let's see what he sells for. Okay. Go ahead and buy this. 965. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let's see how this actually looks before I go. Not bad, not bad. I actually do like it. I really, really like it. Let's go ahead and update. Guys, thank you for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to go and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Like, smash it where I don't even see it. And make sure to like, turn on bell notification. If y'all like, and peace, I guess.